I consider my journey full of opportunities. I have been receiving opportunities throughout my life. These opportunities would have come in the form of challenges or tough situations. It depends on an individual whether to take those situations, grab it by the horns and face it, or sidestep and let this pass by. So I chose to face the situations head on and handle them. So yes, I made mistakes, but I learned from them. It is these learnings which have helped me to move up and aspire for more. So in all, my journey towards leadership has been a continuous process of learning and implementing them. About the potential staffing provides to women employees. Staffing as an industry is very diverse. It caters to the most diverse nature of the universe, which is the human being. Staffing also caters to every other industry, and each industry is again diverse in nature. Even within an industry, there are organizations which are very unique. To cater to this diversity, staffing needs to incorporate diversity across their levels, including the leadership. It is this factor which opens up a lot of opportunities for women employees, and it then depends on the women how they utilize these opportunities and move forward. On the topic, India has a very poor women employment ratio. Under such scenario, how does staffing stand out and provide respect and equal opportunity for women employees? Staffing deals with the core challenge of every industry. It supports in providing people at the right place at the right time. Technology plays a great role in solving this problem. With technology as the enabler, it has opened up a level playing field for any individual irrespective of the gender. Women are known for their inclusive and team building style of leadership, decision making and problem solving. Women are also supposed to be better in multitasking, handle crisis situations, and they can and have better emotional intelligence. It is these qualities which help people, which is required at all the levels of staffing industry, including the leadership. That is why we will find a lot more women breaking the glass ceiling in the staffing industry and be a part of the board meetings. Staffing also as an industry provides women with the choice of working with the industries of their choice and provides a great work-life balance.